Welcome back to our channel Xploreit, and good to see you after a long time. And today we will show you something new.
The green planet. Yes, a rainforest in just middle of the desert, middle of Dubai. Let's go and explore it. The best way is book it online. So you just come here and show the barcode, it's done.
Would you like to experience the reptile encounter?
I have my friend, he is reptile himself. We can go now? So we got the ticket. At the end of the video I will give you a tip on how to get the tickets at a good price. Let's go. So guys, this is the largest man-made tree in the world. It starts from the bottom, goes all the way to the top of the planet. Apart from that, it also has life in it. We will find out what else it has.
It's raining.
I'm not sure if you noticed the frog. For a while I thought maybe it's a part of the stone.
We are going to enter into a bat cave. What I know, bats are dangerous, but I can see people are going inside. So let's go, maybe they are friendly. But I'm wearing white, maybe. So So we are done with the video. This place is amazing, worth visiting.
Yes, indeed, this is the right place to visit with your kids and families and spend some good time, especially in summer. It's indoor, it's a rainforest, you will love it. So my rating for this will be a 10 on 10. Fantastic. Well done, the Green Planet Dubai. And for the tickets, you can check the link in the description. We got the tickets at a better price than their official price. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Ma'as salama and see you soon.